Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Apebond token. Ticker symbol is Abond. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting December 12th. We're going to go over all the information on the Abond token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Apebond token is being listed December 12th at 12:45 UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get the Abond token and you don't have a Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the tray section, search ABOND, and then simply just buy the token. Now, Apebond used to be known as Apeswap, which was or still is, I'm sure, a decentralized exchange similar to like Baby Doge Swap or Pancake Swap. It was a Binance Smart Chain decentralized exchange, and their token's name was Banana. So basically they are just rebranding everything, and they're migrating the Banana token over to the new Abond token. And they're changing the name of Apeswap to Apebond. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there. You can see right there it says formerly known as Apeswap and now Apebond. So you can find their Twitter at Apebond, blue verified checkmark, over 6,600 tweets. Now they have a little section you can read there about Apebond. It says apebond.click/new-era. And then it says you can migrate your Banana tokens to Abond tokens. And then it has a emoji like this pointing down where you can go to apebond.click/migrate. So then you could change your Banana tokens to the Abond tokens if you own Banana tokens. Or you could just purchase the Abond tokens. Their Twitter doing very well. Obviously, this is a very popular decentralized exchange project that has over 342,800 Twitter followers, doing very well. And their BSC scan here, now people are just migrating to this new contract right now. So if you go to the Abond BSC scan, it only says 13 holders so far. So that's going to be obviously like team wallets and that type of thing. But I'm sure there will be a lot of holders once migration finishes and once this token gets these new centralized exchanges, these listings like Mexc Global. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a max total supply of 650 million Abond tokens. Now, it says Apebond is a multi-chain bonding protocol focused on creating a sustainable future for decentralized finance projects and communities. It operates under the governance of the Apebond Decentralized Autonomous Organization. The platform offers a range of DeFi services and tools aiming to provide financial innovation and secure, transparent, and globally accessible in a globally accessible manner. Now, so they offer way more than just a decentralized exchange. They offer, maybe that's why they changed the name, is because they got more utilities, more products. So they have the DAO, so you can be involved in governance decisions. It says our community and partners can tap into the next generation of finance innovation through our bonds, a secure, transparent, and globally accessible way to get started with Apebond. It says join by interacting with our community using our DeFi platform and purchasing our utility token, the Abond token. Swap between different cryptocurrencies tokens on multiple chains using our multi-chain DEX aggregator powered by LIFI. So it's multi-chain. It's not just Binance Smart Chain. So maybe when they first started out, maybe I might have done a video on it a long time ago. It probably was just very, a couple utilities, one of them being a Binance Smart Chain decentralized exchange. Now they've expanded, everything basically here. You can earn tokens by staking your assets on farms and staking pools. Purchase liquidity bonds with liquidity provider tokens to receive an NFT that represents discounted Abond or partner tokens that vest over time. You can purchase reserve bond with blue chip tokens or stable coins to receive an NFT that represents discounted tokens from partner projects that vest over time. You can create crypto projects can partner with Apebond to receive advisory services from our team, network with our robust partnership ecosystem, co-market with us to acquire new users, diversify their treasuries through bonds by selling discounted tokens that vest over time in exchange for LP tokens or blue chip stablecoins. Whether you're new to crypto or a DeFi veteran, Apebond has the tools and the community to support your decentralized financial needs. So they have all sorts of guides. If you're new to crypto or you're new to Apebond in general, you can click on I'm new here. You can click on quick start guide. There's support. There's a community section. If you want to find their webpage, go to ape.bond. Now, if you want to find in-depth information about everything, go to their document section, docs.ape.bond. And you can go over their mission and vision. But basically, I just named you all the, the utilities, the main utilities anyways. And then they have details about the Apebond token. So it's on the BNB chain, like I mentioned. It's a BEP20 token. It's the primary utility token. Token utilities. You can get exclusive bonds, and then you can lock up your token and VE Abond tokens, vested tokens, and then, and it shows you how to migrate the tokens on their webpage, all this type of stuff here. Tokenomics are on here. They have token allocation, so we got 10% of the tokens going to the treasury, 5% team, 5% bonus bucket, 1% initial liquidity, 39.1% migration, 15% ecosystem fund, 14.9% multiplier buffer, and 10% fundraise. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know, what do you guys think about Apebond, formerly known as Apeswap, and the Abond token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. Check out all the referral codes, especially that Mexc global one where this token is being listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.